Hello guys! For today's video ay mag-swimming tayo. Mag-swimming kasama sa aking trabaho ang mag-swimming. Ito swimwear ko. Swimsuit! So, binili ko to sa Shein. Diba? So, get ready with me. Mag-swimming tayo. So, here's my file. Swimwear.
Amazing!
Yan lang to. Magsuswimming tayo. Kasi summer. Okay?
Oh my God! Wow!
Luya, madamay pa ako.